Good afternoon, Mr. Bloor. My name is Dan. I'm the full trained technician working on your vehicle today here at Gates of Bishop Stortford. This is your vehicle health check. I'm going to start with your tyres. The legal limit on your vehicle is 1.6 mil. Ford recommend you change them at 3 mil. Driver side front tyre, 5 mil. 5 mil. 5 mil will be a green item. Driver side rear, again 5 mil. 6 mil. 5 mil, be a green item. Over to your passenger front, 5 mil, all but 5 mil, and all but 5 mil will be a green item. Passenger rear, 5 mil, 5 mil, 5 mil will be a green item. Moving on to your front brakes, and there's your pads there. I'm just going to get the gauge out to show you what we use to measure those brake pads. Traffic light system. This would be a new set of pads, and this would be extremely worn. And your front brake pads are, bear with me, are here. Okay, you're about 90% worn on those pads. It will be a red item, and then we're going to measure the discs. This is the gauge we use to measure this. Let me just zero it, bear with me. Here you go, zeroed. Okay, it's a vernier caliper, and the minimum thickness for these discs is 21 mil. And as you can see, you're on 20 mil. So that will be a red item on your front brakes. Moving on to your front suspension, I've checked this all over. All in good condition, will be a green item on the health check. You do have an engine oil leak, which I've washed off. I think I've identified the cause, so that will be fixed under warranty for you. But otherwise, no coolant leaks, all good. Gearbox, all good, no leaks. Looking back at your radiator there and your intercooler, no damage or leaks. All visually sound, be more green items on the health check. Moving down your vehicle, exhaust system, all good. Vehicle underbody, all good. Diesel fuel tank, no leaks, all good. Rear suspension, I've checked over, all good. Rear brake shoes, okay, no leaks from your wheel cylinders. All good. And your drums, all in good condition. Okay, your shoes are about 40% worn. I'll show you the passenger side, so you've got confidence what we're showing you. No leaks, shoes all good. Your spare is new, never been used by the looks of it, and that's on 7.5 mil. And that completes this vehicle health check. Thank you for watching and choosing us here at Gates of Bishop Stortford. A service advisor will be in touch.